Welcome everybody. I'm Beverly Winterside from the Center for Nature and Leadership, and welcome to Edisto Island, South Carolina. Today's practice for Nature-Based Friday is Nature as Mirror. And Nature as Mirror very simply means looking at nature, looking at the natural world, and having it mirror back to you something in your inner landscape. It's the perfect marriage between outer landscape and inner landscape. So very simply, this area attracts me because of the dead, uprooted trees. And what it calls to mind are the times in my leadership work where I haven't been deeply rooted, deeply grounded in what was core to my beliefs. This beach mirrors back those times when I wasn't clear, grounded, authentic. This beach is a reflection of my past in leadership, not my current state. So I invite you this weekend to find where nature mirrors you. Have a great weekend.